Hey everybody, how's it going? I wanted to show you the steps to kind of get started with Newsela. First and foremost, what's really nice is that they do have that agreement with Google, so you can actually use your work account and use the Google single sign-on. So you don't have to worry about making a new password or remembering a new username or anything like that. So I'll be switching in between a teacher view and a student view throughout this. So I'm starting right here in a teacher view. The first thing you need to do as a teacher, you're going to hover over your name up here in the top right hand corner and click on classes. So the first thing we're going to do is create a class. And this is just so that you can kind of see your students, then so that you can also assign them different articles. So you go ahead and you hop into the settings right here. You can type the class name here. You can set the grade. And once you do create a class, you'll be given this class code. And that's what you're going to share with your students. Let me go ahead and show you how to assign an article. So to get back to the main Newsela page, I went ahead and I clicked up here in the top left-hand corner. And one of the nicest features about Newsela is that they're constantly updating new articles. Whether it be pop arts, you can see you've got a little article about Wonder, the movie. You've got science, opinion, which is great if you want to get into some classroom debates, law. If we hover over here at the top, actually, we can see all the different genres and different ways that they sort this information. But as you can see, you can quickly assign right here. So if I wanted to assign the wonderful adaptation of the book, I've got a test class. That's the name of my class. I could write students a little message if I wanted to before I assigned it, but then I go ahead and I click assign. So cool. So I've gone ahead and I've assigned that to the student. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over here, and this is actually a student account now in that same class. So I wanted to kind of show you A, how to get started as a teacher, and then B, what the students see. So again, students can use Google single sign-on, which is a nice way to get them started real quick. Students have options though. You can see here's the assignments that I've assigned. But what's cool is that Newsela does allow them to explore. So let's say they complete these 2 assignments that I've given them. They have the flexibility to kind of look at some of these different current events. They can go ahead, just like the teacher, they can look at things through different lenses where Newsela is going to sort their articles for them. But that's the student view. Let me go ahead and let me show you one quick thing. So once the students hop in here, so you'll see the text. They do have the ability to adjust the Lexile level, which is real nice so that you can make sure that the students are reading and comprehending. Activities-wise, this article has a writing prompt associated with it, and it also has a quiz. Newsela does offer a third option, which is power words, which is kind of a vocabulary practice. As the instructor, this is all stuff that feedback you'll get. So I hope this is enough to get you started on Newsela.